Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we completed our lesson 3 sacks of rice, and after that we completed our first question of exercise, right? Today we are going to start with our second question. In second question we have 4 sub questions, okay? What is second question? Second question is answer the following questions. In answer the following questions we have 4 questions. We are going to write down answers of those 4 questions. I am not going to write down question on board. I will write only answer on the board. You have to write down question from your exercise book, from the exercise of book. Okay, here it is. Now first question, now your question number 2, answer the following questions. What it is? Answer the following questions. What is first question? What common qualities did the 3 brothers have? Now we have to write down answer of that. What common qualities they had? All 3 brothers were clever, kind and hardworking. That was main quality of all 3 brothers. Okay, so first answer we are going to write down is all 3 brothers. Question number 2, first one, answer. All 3 brothers were honest, kind and hardworking. That was their main quality. Okay, they were honest, kind and hardworking. They were fond of their mother. This main quality was very much important of these 3 brothers. They loved their mother too much. Okay, so what is second point? They were all fond of their mother. They were fond of their mother. Second question in the book is given is what was the businessman looking for and why? Okay, now we have to write down answer is the businessman was getting old, his daughter was of marriageable age, and he was looking for son-in-law who would be good husband to his daughter, right? So I will write down answer. The businessman was getting old. Businessman was getting old. His daughter was of a marriageable age. His daughter was of marriageable age, and he was looking for a son-in-law. He was looking for whom? He was looking for son-in-law who would take care of his daughter. Okay, but I have given answer in short. Third question in the book is how did the middle brother use the rice? Now middle brother was priest. What he did? He distributed rice in the poor people, right? I have already explained you in yesterday's period. How did the middle brother use the rice? The middle brother distributed the rice distributed the rice among the poor. Among the poor. little big, okay? What is fourth question? Was it right for the youngest brother to ask for a share in the money? Now he told that I have said your 20 sacks, but I'm going to keep 5 sacks for me so that I can sell them and get money for myself. Okay, it was right or what? Yes, the youngest brother was right in asking for share. Yes, the youngest brother was right. Brother was right in asking for a share, in the money. He was right. And they have asked question why he was right. If you are saying yes, then tell reason why. Because he was keeping back only one small part of its profit in return for the labor and the money he had spent, and giving most of it to his friend. Correct or not? So answer is what answer we can write down? He had done lot of work and had earned a profit. Okay, because, or you can write down, he had done a lot of work and had earned a profit. In this way we have completed our 4 answers. Can you see all answers properly? Yes. Next question is question number 3, language study. Now you have to see pages 84 and 84 to 88. Read the highlighted words. All 3 of them were honest, kind and hardworking. This is one sentence. Okay. You are such an honest person. The highlighted words are adjectives. Honest is adjective, kind is adjective, hardworking is adjective. Now they have told that now find at least 5 other adjectives from the lesson. We have to find at least 5 adjectives from the lesson. So I am writing another 5 adjectives from the lessons are. Which are another 5 adjectives from the lesson? long, long, neighboring, more, middle, many, and wide. Okay, this is answer of question number 3. After that, question number 4 is, question number 3rd, first it is, first answer. Now question number 3, second. In second question, what is given? List as many words as you can that will go with the given adjectives. We have to write down as many as words which will go with the adjectives given here. Okay. Now sudden. They have given one example for us. Sudden. Then sudden is used everywhere. Sudden change. Sudden shower. Sudden fall. Now we have to write down simple. Now simple is an adjective. From simple we have to write down 3 examples. Simple work. Simple person. Then more what we can write down, simple solution. Understood? Second word which is given in the book is odd. O-double-D, odd. Okay. I'm erasing it. Okay. What you have to do, you have to pause video and then write down answers. Okay. Second one is odd, O-double-D, odd. So what example we will get for odd? O-double-D, odd. Come on, tell. Odd feeling. Odd look. Odd behavior. Odd behavior. C. Next one is only. Okay. O-N-L-Y, only. We have to add 3 words for it. Okay, 3 examples we have to write. Only, only child, only answer. Only child, only answer. Only student. After that is 4th one, honest. Correct? Honest. Now what answers we can give of honest? Honest servant. More what we can write? Honest officer. Honest officer. More? Honest businessman. Honest businessman. After honest is long. Okay. E point is long. Long coat. More what we can write down about long? Long stick. More what we can write of long? Long ribbon. Long ribbon. In this way we have completed our all question answers writing of exercise. Okay, we have completed all question answers. Please complete your question answers in notebook as well as in your workbook. Now many questions are there, same questions are there in workbook, so you have to complete your workbook also and your English notebook also. Okay, remaining part of the syllabus we will study in next week. For today this much is enough. Please keep on studying because we are going to have our first term examination in the last week of October month. Okay, study well, study hard and send homework on WhatsApp group. Thank you.